students, myself Thorat KS. My subject is Mathematics Part 2. Now we are studying chapter number first, complex number. Before starting complex number, first we know what are the different types of numbers. First is natural numbers. Natural numbers are denoted by capital letter N. These are 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Then we know that what are the whole numbers. Whole numbers are denoted by capital letter W. Whole numbers are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then we know the integers. Integers are denoted by capital letter Z. Integers are starting, integers consist of negative numbers 0 and positive numbers 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. Then we know the real numbers. Real numbers are consist of rational and irrational numbers. Rational and irrational numbers. Real numbers are consist of rational and irrational. Rational numbers are of type P by Q, where P and Q are belongs to Z integers, where Q is not equal to 0. They are of the form, for example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 0.5, minus 5 by 2, and all. These are all rational numbers. Rational numbers are of the form P by Q. Then we know the irrational numbers. Irrational numbers are under root of 2, under root of 3, pi, e, etc. are these irrational numbers. Okay. Then we know the even numbers. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2. They are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. These are all even numbers. Then we know the odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which are not divisible by 2. They are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13. All these are odd numbers. Then we know the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 1 and that numbers only. Three, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number because it is divisible by 3, 7, and then 11, 13, all these are prime numbers. Then we know the composite numbers. Composite numbers are which has more than one factor, means 4, 6, 4 has one factor, one is a factor, 2 is also factor of 4, then 4. 6 has factors 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are composite numbers. They have other than 2 factors, 8, then 10, 9 is also composite number. 12. All these are composite numbers. Okay. 1 is number. Number 1 is neither prime. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite. Number 1 is neither prime nor composite number. Neither prime nor composite. Number 2 is even prime number. Number 2 is even prime number. Now all these कळले सगळे नंबर्स कसे असतात नॅचरल नंबर्स होल नंबर्स इंटिजर्स रियल नंबर्स इवन प्राइम ऑड ओके आता आपण पाहूया की सोल्युशन ऑफ लिनियर अँड क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन जे आपण 10वीला पण पाहिलेलं आहे त्याची फक्त रिव्हिजन घेते सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन वी नो द सोल्युशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन solution of this equation x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. 2 belongs to 2 is a natural number. Therefore, this equation x minus 2 is equal to 0. This equation has solution in natural numbers. Okay. Then we see the example x minus 2 x into x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we get x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2. नाउ आता हे सोल्युशन कोणत्या सेट मध्ये आहे x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 2 this equation has solution in which set x into x minus 2 is equal to 0 this equation has solution in whole numbers okay this equation has solution in set of whole numbers then now consider the equation x plus 2 is equal to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x is equal to minus 2. हा plus 2 तिकडे गेला काय झाला minus 2. x is equal to minus 2. Then हे सोल्युशन कोणत्या सेट मध्ये असेल ओके कोणत्या सेट मध्ये इंटिजर्स then this equation has solution in integers because minus 2 belongs to integers z. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0. This equation has solution in integers. Okay. Now consider the equation of type x. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then we get 2x is equal to plus 3 minus 2. Then x is equal to minus 3. 2 is multiple. Get there इथे मल्टिपल आहे तिकडे गेला तर काय होईल डिवाइड म्हणजे x इज इक्वल टू काय मायनस 2 हा मायनस 2 कोणत्या सेट मध्ये आहे कोणत्या सेट मध्ये रॅशनल देयरफॉर दिस इक्वेशन हॅज सोल्युशन इन रियल नंबर्स देयरफॉर this equation 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This equation has solution in real numbers. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0 has solution in set of real numbers. Okay. This equation has solution in real numbers. Now consider the equation of type x square plus 1 is equal to 0. Then we get x square is equal to minus 1. Now taking square root on both sides, taking square root on both the sides, we get square root of x square is equal to square root of minus 1. Square root of x square is x. Therefore, x is equal to under root of minus 1. Now, what is the answer of this square root of minus 1? नाही माहिती आपल्याला. हे रिअल नंबर आहे का? नाहीये. म्हणून ह्या सेटचं सोल्युशन आपल्याला रिअल नंबर्स मध्ये मिळतंय का? Therefore, this x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation has no solution in the set of real numbers. Therefore, we extend the set of real numbers to the larger set, and which set is called as, that set is called as complex number set. That set is called as complex number set. This equation has solution in natural numbers, okay? Natural numbers. Yes. And this equation has solution in whole numbers. Whole numbers. So we extend the set of natural numbers to the whole numbers. Then this equation x is equal to x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 does not belongs to whole numbers. Therefore, whole numbers are extended to the set of integers. Then 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. This equation has solution x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 does not belongs to z. Integers nahiye. म्हणून set of integers are extended to the set of real numbers. Then we have equation x square plus 1 is equal to 0. This equation has solution x is equal to under root of minus 1. Under root of minus 1 does not belongs to real numbers. Therefore, we extend the set of real numbers to the set of complex number. And that complex number we have seen in the first chapter, complex number. This equation has solution in the set of complex number. Now we extend the set of real numbers to the larger set, which is called complex number set. We now introduce the symbol. Introduce the symbol I, which is called iota. We introduce the symbol I, which is called iota. I is equal to under root of minus 1. We introduce the symbol I is equal to under root of minus 1. This I is called iota. Therefore, x is equal to, therefore this x is equal to under root of minus 1, means x is equal to, what is the value of under root? We take under root of minus 1 as I. Therefore, x is equal to I. Now this equation x square plus 1 has solution in the set of complex number. Complex number. I is equal to under root of minus 1, means I square is equal to minus 1. हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आपल्याला. I is equal to under root of minus 1 means I square is equal to minus 1.